Downloaded a spreadsheet with a Gnumeric extension and Excel refuses to open it? This is the native format for Gnumeric, an open-source spreadsheet alternative popular in Linux environments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and convert these Gnumeric spreadsheet files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted Gnumeric files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. A GNUMERIC file is the native spreadsheet format for the Gnumeric application, a free and open-source alternative to programs like Microsoft Excel. Users encounter this file when saving their work in Gnumeric, which contains data, formulas, charts, and formatting, often seeking to open it in other spreadsheet software. The Gnumeric format is an XML-based file compressed using gzip. This design choice makes the file both human-readable when uncompressed and compact. Using a standardized XML schema ensures data integrity, supports complex features, and facilitates interoperability with other Office suites that can parse XML. For full accurate reading of Gnumeric data, rely on Gnumeric by the GNOME project. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows cannot interpret business logic or formulas accurately, so proper analysis requires a spreadsheet app. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the Gnumeric file and choose Open With. Prioritize Gnumeric if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. If the Gnumeric file won't open, don't panic. When the initial application fails, we must assume a deeper problem. Let's jump into these 3 core diagnostic steps immediately. First, opening with Gnumeric. Download and install Gnumeric from the official GNOME website, available for Linux, Windows, and macOS. Open the Gnumeric file directly in the application to access full editing capabilities, formulas, charts, and all native features without any compatibility loss or formatting conversion issues. Next, converting with LibreOffice Calc. LibreOffice Calc can import Gnumeric files through File then Open. Most cells formulas and basic formatting transfer correctly, though some advanced numeric-specific functions may not have direct equivalents. Save the converted spreadsheet as ODS or XLSX for broader compatibility with other applications. Finally, command line conversion. Use the ssconvert command line tool included with Gnumeric to batch convert Gnumeric files to XLSX, CSV, or ODS formats. Run sse-convert-input.gnumericOutput.xlsx to produce an Excel-compatible file. This approach is ideal for automation scripts processing multiple Gnumeric files for cross-platform sharing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.